Okay, so what we have here is the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. Now this is the Foundation series, so of course it came with the white interior, but it did not have white seats. Not okay. But thankfully, Pimp My EV has got me covered. Baby, we got white seats. Let's go. Okay, so everything is here. Tuck and crimp. Make sure you get it tucked in. These are the white seats, so we got white gloves. Let's go. We got white gloves. Another tucker. Things to make sure. I mean, everything's here, man. This is what keeps it tight underneath. What you don't see, how you cinch it up. Let's take a look at these seats. I got big hands, so. Got to make sure that you're tucking these underneath and that you run that through those. So we're just going to make sure that these are tucked in, because what you're going to do is you're then going to lift the seat. You're going to pull everything tight. Okay, so once you have the seat up, you're pulling everything very tight. All right, so you have all of this, and these are trim pieces that you can just trim off. You don't have to leave that. I'm going to leave it for now, and I'll cut it off later. But I mean, none of this is seen when the seat's down anyways. But yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you tuck that or cut it. I'm going to be trimming it off. Alright, so already with the flap in the back, the zipper here, the way it's sitting, it's gonna fit really nice. Let me get a video of it from the front. So you go ahead and put them through the slots like that. Then you just take that end and put it through here. That end and put it through there. Yep, and you slide it down. You got yourself a holder. But we fixed it, baby. White seats, let's go. Tesla made a really big deal about telling you get white interior. What they meant was that you get white accents. You get hit here and there. And on the back seat here, you get that as white. But now you actually get white interior thanks to Pimp My EV, baby. Woohoo, it looks so clean. Yeah, that's a Cybertruck right